Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have for you a huge box from Superdrug. Massive. So I got into their website, checked out what's new and pretty much bought everything. So I'm really bad on these intros, so without further rumbling, let's jump right into the video. So as you can see, the box is fully still closed, haven't peeked, haven't seen nothing, so we are gonna do this together. Ooh, so the lid off, nicely sealed. Let's get rid of all these ones. And here I have all my makeup. Oops. So I saw that the Superdrug is starting to do e.l.f. products as well, and I haven't tried e.l.f. products, so I have a couple of brushes, but that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I bought a couple of brushes from e.l.f., some concealers, and blah blah. So let's just wrap it up and check it out. So the Revolution has a really nice dupe for like KKW Beauty contour sticks. Revolution have a creamy highlight and contour kit, and I got it in the shade Light. And this I think is not that new anymore, but it was still in the section new in Superdrug, so I decided to get that one. Then I have the e.l.f.'s finishing powder, which looks like this. I'll open it for you. So I'm gonna put all the prices for all these products which I'm gonna mention to you down in the description box, so feel free to go and check it out. So this is the e.l.f. finishing powder, which looks like this with the mirror, and it comes with a little sponge as well too. Then I got a brow pencil by e.l.f. as well. I don't know how good this one is, so hopefully it's not really hard. A really nice e.l.f. sculpting brush as well. I really digged into loads of e.l.f. products because they are new on Superdrug. Then I have the Perfect Blend Concealer by e.l.f. as well. So it's a little wand like this. Oh, this is definitely not my concealer shade. So you can see over here, it's really dark, way too dark for me. Oh well. Then I got e.l.f.'s mascara, which is 3-in-1, so it's it helps lengthen, define, and volumize your lashes. So it's just like this. Ooh, really like the wand. So this is how the wand looks like. Then I have the e.l.f.'s Mist and Set for the makeup. So just a setting spray, just a black bottle like this. These e.l.f. products I probably are not like new, but they were new in Superdrug, so don't get me wrong. I just got everything what is in new section for the Superdrug. So if you like Superdrug, I'm just showing you what new they have. So then I got e.l.f.'s highlighter, which looks like this. It's really powdery, so maybe this is one of those where you need to properly dig in as it's pressed too hard. It does look like it's gonna fall out pretty soon, but this is how it looks. So it's alright. Let's keep digging. Then I got 2 lip liners by Revolution, and one is in shade Greatest and one in shade Prime. So just, you can never have enough lip liners, can you? is a bag full of goodies. So what we have here, I have e.l.f.'s eyeshadow in rose gold. So this is one of the liquid eyeshadows. So this is how the liquid eyeshadow looks, if you can see. Then I have e.l.f.'s blush and bronzing powders, which is like 2-in-1 combo. And it has this like NARS packaging feeling. Like exactly the same, pretty much. And it looks like this. So I really like the packaging. It's exactly, I would say, like the NARS ones, NARS bronzers and blushers. So it's really cool, but not that original, but okay. Then I have the Revolution's highlighter palette, which looks like this, and I'm really excited to try this one out, as I have seen already a couple of people putting them out and loving them. So yeah, really exciting, really exciting. It's so pretty, super pretty. Gets a couple more. So here is a couple of the highlighters. Super pretty. So they are really pigmented. Happy about that. Feels like all this package is just like e.l.f. makeup. Well, then I have the e.l.f.'s face primer. And it's like a hydrating, so my eye am really dry, so I thought I'm gonna try out the e.l.f.'s primer, and it looks really super pretty packaging. Looks like this. It's super pretty and looks really fancy. Yeah, this looks like almost like really like high-end makeup. So got to give it to them. I'm literally just rushing through all the products just so you know what Superdrug is offering at the moment, and I probably am gonna do like a video using these products as well, so just stay tuned. And then I have the e.l.f.'s HD powder in shade Share, so just a little baking powder from e.l.f. I haven't been baking for that long, so at the moment I'm just experimenting with all kind of baking powders. At the moment I'm loving the RCMA baking powder, which is like really easy, and it just makes your concealer doesn't crease, and it's gives you like extra light. So, and then I have this e.l.f. and I'm gonna try it out. Also really pretty packaging, just finishing powder. Then I have the Rimmel's Matte Perfection concealer, which again doesn't look like my shade. Really bad on ordering concealers or foundations online. I'm really bad on color matching myself. So it has like a little brush applicator, as you can see, and you just squeeze it up. Let's see if it's my shade. So I have the shade Porcelain. It has like really yellow undertone to it, so I don't like it. Okay, I am gonna try out, never tried before e.l.f. foundation. Obviously, you haven't tried none of the e.l.f. products. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be my shade. This is like, again, they're like almost copying. No, I don't want to say that, but they're like duplicating. I don't know what's the right word, but like they have lost their creativity. I guess that's the right, because this looks like NARS and this looks like my NARS foundation. But okay, I don't really care. So let's check if that's my shade. Just pump it. Oh, a bit too much. Ooh, so it's really thick. It's not my shade, but it is really thick foundation. Really thick. so I can imagine it's probably gonna be full coverage. It does look like it could be a bit cakey, and yeah, it looks like it could be cakey, but I don't want to judge it. I don't want to make false accusations. Oh, I have another e.l.f. foundation, the same one, just in different shades, so I do have a backup. Good girl. Smashed it. So I have a glass table, this is glass. I smashed my little baby. Let's pretend that didn't happen. And let's check if this is my shade. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. And maybe this is a bit too light. Well, if I'm gonna make a video, I'm gonna probably mix them both together, and that's gonna be a perfect shade of mine. I feel really bad not breaking it. Oh well. Oh well, that's what happens when you are in a rush. Never be in a rush. This looks pretty, so I have the Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter, which, let me open it for you. Looks like this. Oh yeah. It's also really, really, really pretty. I ordered some of the Revolution concealer as well, and it has been talked a lot in the makeup industry. Everybody's talking about it. It's like a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which I also have, so I will be able to test it out myself. So I got in a shade C3, and I probably don't need to show you guys because you all have already known. It has like the same applicator as the Tarte Shape Tape, and yeah, I'm really exciting. I'm really exciting as well. It is exciting, but I'm excited to try it out. Then Makeup Revolution came out with the foundation sticks as well, and I think I have seen one person doing a video on it. I think I have seen, haven't seen like a review, but I have seen people using it in their videos while they're doing their makeup. So I'm really excited to try out. So I got in the C. I got it in the shade F3, and it just looks like this once you take it out. Oh, it's super, super creamy. Oh wow, so it's gonna blend really easily. Back over, and I have the Collection Velvet Kiss Moisturizing Lip Cream. So the reason why I got it was word moisturizing, as my lips tend to dry really, really often, and when I'm using like a matte lipstick, after a while, like it wears perfectly fine, but after a while when I take it off, my lips do feel really dry, and so I'm really excited about this one. I like my nudes, so I got in a color nude. So yeah, I have another Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C1. So I think this is gonna be a bit lighter, as you know, you can never be too safe. So I ordered two of them, as I done with the e.l.f. So yeah. Have one last bag of items, and the box is empty. Okay, I have the e.l.f.'s Cream Contour Palette, which looks like this. Again, I don't know how new it is, but in Superdrug it's pretty new. So comes with a mirror, nice, nice, and it looks like this. I don't really use creams that much on my face, but maybe I should. So maybe I'm gonna start. Hunter, are you having fun there? So I have a mess on that corner, and my cat now is obsessed with it. You enjoying yourself? Okay, where were we? So I got another e.l.f.'s face primer, and this is Poreless. So it's minimizing your pores, and I have huge ones, big ones, so why not try it? And it's again the same really pretty packaging as the previous one. Where are you? So two exactly the same lines probably. Really pretty. And I like that they're like pink and green, bluish. The last but not least, I have the L'Oreal's Infallible, also the new foundation stick, which I am excited to try out. Excited to try out. So sorry about my English today. Well, I rumbled through it and we are done now. So this was really quick run through all the stuffs which I bought from Superdrug. Hope you liked it. Know that I did. I definitely gonna enjoy this makeup over here. Oh well. Okay. Please let me know if you want to see me using any of these products in the next videos. I probably will do anyway, but please let me know if there's any specific ones which you would like me to do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!